We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MidLevel2Study courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 4, word assignment. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then change its size so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 word chapter 4 ML2 study. We just increase its size and change its color, and here is project description. So we have to change its size and change its color. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 word chapter 4 ML2 study. We will solve and we will just discuss this assignment step by step. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward a whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? So in today's assignment, we have, I think so, we have just 14 questions. The last one is a not graded one. So we have just 14 questions in graded part. The last one is simply save, close, and submit the file and get score. So let me start today's assignment step by step. We will solve. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. Remember that we will start from description. For application process for a study abroad program, you are required to write a proposal describing the programs that you are interested in. So you will apply a few formatting changes to the document and add a cover page, table of contents, and index. As it is a work in progress, you will track all changes before deciding which to keep, and you will make a note of things to remember by adding comments. So that was just simply project description that tell us that what we have in today's project, how we have to solve that one, and at the end what will our outcome. Okay, so after reading description, now we are moving toward a graded part. Steps to perform instructions. So in question number 1, start word, and then download and open the file name. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Grader has automatically added our last name to the beginning of the file name. So first we have to open our solution file. We call that a solution file. Then we have to click on enable editing. So question number 1 is done, even though it's not a graded one, but we have to solve that one. Okay, now moving toward next question, question number 2. Turn on track changes, then apply heading 1 style to section heading that display all capital letters. So we have to first turn on track changes. Come on here, there in a reference. Now review, yes, track. So we have to turn on track changes. Then apply heading 1 style to the section heading that display in all capital letter. Okay, this one. So here we have to apply heading 1 style. Select this one, click on home. In style group we have to apply heading 1 style. And then we have to move downward, and here is all spelling are in capital form, so we have to apply the heading 1 style. Then move downward, and here is also a heading that have capital letter, so we have to apply their heading 1 style. Then we have to apply there also heading 1 style. And then we have move downward, and here we have to apply heading 1 style. Okay, then we have to check is there any more. No. So question number 2 is done and we have earned 7 marks from there. In question number 2 we have to first turn on track changes, then we have to apply heading 1 style to section headings that display in all capital letters. So we have done and we have earned 7 points from there. Now moving toward question number 3, we have to apply heading 2 style to section headings that display along a line in a title keys, just like the first letter of each word is capitalized. So we have to make that heading 2 style. So we have to find, yeah, this one. So we have to select this one and there we have to apply heading 2 style. Then we have to select this one and we have to apply their heading 2 style. Then yes, just do one. Then in next part, format the program's fees items in included in tuition section as a list of with solid round bullet. We have to format the program fees items. Fees from fees items. So we have to find that one. Yeah, this one. So we have to apply their bulleted. So in paragraph this one. Then is there any more? No. So question number 3 is done and we have earned 9 marks from there. So in question number 3 we have to apply heading 2 style to section headings that display along on a line in a title keys. The first letter of each word is capitalized. Then format the program fees items in the included in tuition section as a list with solid round bullets. We have applied that one and we have earned 9 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4. Ensure that markup view is all markup. So we have to ensure that in reference, sorry, in mailing review, here markup is all markup. Then change the word introduction on a first line of a report to a study abroad in France. In France. So we just copy this one from here and then change the introduction headings to that one. Control V, then simply paste that one and done. Okay. So we just delete that one. Okay. Then center the first line and change its font size to 20 point. Now we have to make that in a center. First we have to make that in center. Where is center? There is center. Then change its font size to 20. Okay, and we have done and we have earned 8 marks from there. So in question number 4 we have to ensure that markup view is all markup, then change the word introduction on first line of report to study abroad in France. Do not write the period, then center the first line and change the font size to 20 point. We have done, we have earned 8 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 5. Accept all changes and stop tracking. Modify comments as follows. So first we have to click on a reference, no, mailing review, and then we have to click on tracking, accept all, and then stop tracking. Okay, first part is done. Then in next part, now click or select more thread section action in first comment on page 2. related to formatted an atom's headings 1 and click or select delete thread to remove the comment. Now click or select more thread action in first comment on page 2. So we have to move toward there. This is heading 1. Format these as bullet. Yes, we have done. Now what we have to do with there, click or select more thread action in first comment on page 2, then related to formatting an atom heading 1, and then click or select delete thread. Okay, now we have to delete that thread because that is done. Then in next we have to click or select more thread action in next command related to formatting the list with bulleted and delete that thread. Now we have to delete also this thread, so this one. Okay, then reply the next command related to formatting the atoms as heading 2, and there we have to type this one, I assume. So we just copy this reply from here. Then we have to move to our next comment here, and here we have to reply that comments. Then simply press this one. Okay, so question number 5 is done, and we have earned 9 marks from there. So in question number 5 we have to accept all changes and stop tracking, then modify comments as follows. So in first part we have to click or select more thread action in first comment on P2 related to formatting and atoms as heading 1, then click or select delete thread to remove the comment. Then we move toward a next commit and we have to delete that one. Then we have to move to our next commit after that, and there we have to reply, and there, in reply we have to type I assume you meant to include a day 3 as well, and we have earned 9 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 6. Ensure that writing style in APA 6 edition, and then insert a footnote on page 1 at the end of first sentence in first paragraph which ends with Strabon finance. Okay, and there we have to type this one. Okay, include periods as a footnote. Style we have to apply time Romans font style 12, and we will earn 9 marks from there. Then in question number 7 we have to click or display the insert tab and click header, then click or select edit header and type study abroad followed by a space and a plain numbered page. Then header should be right aligned. Okay, then click or select different first page in option group on header and footer tab. Refrain from showing that header on a first page, and we will earn a 9 marks from there. Same way we will solve other parts also. So you may see we have just 14 question in graded part. Out of 14 question we have done first 8 question. 7 to 8 question, mean half of assignment is done from my side in today video. Remember that in today video we have discussed Exp22 word chapter 4 ML2 study. In start we just read project description. After getting ideas from description, then we move toward graded board and we have solved question number 1, even though that is not graded one, but we have to solve that one. Then we move toward question number 2 and we have solved question number 2, in which we have to turn on text changes, then apply heading 1 style to the section heading that display all capital letter. Then we have solved question number 2. Then we have solved question number 3, where we have to ensure that markup view is all markup. Then change the word introduction on first line of report to study abroad in France. Then center first line and change font size to 20. Then in question number 5 we have to accept all changes and stop tracking and modify the comments according to condition, and we get a 9 marks from there. Then we have solved question number 6 and 7. So almost half of assignment, 50% assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete a solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number, and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I'm available. I will respond you instantly, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price, and your marks will be 100% in overall course. Remember that if you need help regarding other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, there are Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply text me. You may simply contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. I will respond instantly, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video, we have discussed Exp22 Word Chapter 4 ML2 study. We have done almost 60% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.